Digital Marketing Specialists, NMPi and DQ. The expanded group will boast 340 employees spread across 16 offices internationally, offering clients a broad range of services from media, technology and creative through to experiential. Joystick itself employs a 90-strong team spanning 5 offices, serving a client roster that includes Google, HBO, Disney and Kroger. Luke Judge, chief executive of NMPi, said, "As data gives us a better understanding of the consumer and their online journey, we are seeing a rapid shift in the digital ecosystem. It's no longer about choosing channels to run your marketing activity. Now the spotlight is on creating a flawless experience for the consumer. This is exactly why we are focused on reinventing what it means to be a digital marketing specialist, and joining forces with Joystick is a major step in that journey, allowing us to offer a more complete service focused on end-to-end customer experience." Sarah Francis, chief executive of Joystick, added, "This is an exciting time for our businesses to come together as one strong force. The alignment could not be more perfect with what we do and where we want to go. We look forward to leading the way in digital innovation and collectively creating a compelling offering for clients." The takeover by Net Media Planet is expected to conclude by the end of the month and follows hot on the heels of NMPi's acquisition of paid social specialist MediaPact.